To assign a self-paced Kahoot challenge for students to play anywhere, anytime, the first step is to find the Kahoot. So you'll go to the Kahoots tab. Games that you've created will show up here in the middle, or you can pick a game that's been shared with you or one that you've searched for and starred as a favorite. So I want to assign the Get to Know Your Teacher. So click Play, and then click Assign. From here, we'll go ahead and select a due date. And then you can adjust any options and then click Create. If you ever need to edit the due date, you can do that by clicking this Change Deadline. You can also play the challenge as a student by clicking here. Now, if you have a Google Classroom, you can click here to share directly to Google Classroom. It will automatically create a post for you. As long as you have your classes already set up, you can pick which hour you would like to share it to, and also how Google Classroom will post it. So I'm going to create an assignment and then click Go. You can also share it to Canvas by clicking Copy URL. In a new tab, you'll click on Canvas, find the class that you want to post it to. I'm going to create this as an assignment. So under my daily activities, let's create a new assignment. I'm going to name this Kahoot Practice, and it's due Friday. So now I'm going to go and edit. And I could just paste the link, but I'm actually going to add some directions. So click the link and play the Kahoot. Once you have your directions typed, if you highlight them and click the link to URL, you can actually paste the link. And then students will see this and be able to click the link and open up the Kahoot in a new tab. Now, if you want to keep the kids in Canvas and you don't want them going to a bunch of different websites, there is a way to actually embed the Kahoot into Canvas. What you'll need to do is you'll need to use an iframe generator. So I'm just going to search for an iframe generator. And here's one that I used earlier. So you still are going to use this URL. So I'm going to make sure that I have that copied. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to click Generate. This is the code that I'm going to actually embed into Canvas. So I want to make sure I have this new code. It'll say iframe. Make sure that's copied. Now back in Canvas, I can either click on HTML editor, or I can go to this Insert Media and click Embed. Now I'm going to paste my embed code and click OK. Now you can see the Kahoot is actually in Canvas.